In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your email client in the system. So what we're going to do is navigate over to Setup over here on the bottom left-hand side, and then we're going to click on Domains. And over here, you'll see that we have no email client set up for our domain. So what we're going to do is click into our domain, and then we're going to come here to Actions on the top right-hand side, and we're going to click Configure Email. All right, and then you can go ahead and choose your email clients. We have Gmail and Zoho, so you can select between those two. Now, if you do not use Gmail or Zoho, that is okay, because you will be able to import your email DNS records. Now, if you are using a different email server and you've imported all of your records into the system, that email will automatically have been set up for you. And when you come here to your domain settings, your email client will have a notification over here that says custom, saying that it has set up a custom email client for you from your existing DNS records. Now, of course, you can go ahead and import those DNS records by clicking Add DNS Record and selecting an MX type. You would then go ahead and put in the correct information over here for your MX record, and then you would hit save, and you would be able to set up your custom email client that way. But for now, we're going to set up one of the email clients that's already in the system. So I'm going to come to Actions, Configure Email Client, and I'm going to go ahead and select Gmail. I would then go ahead and put in my verification code and hit save. And once that has been verified, you'll see that I have all of my MX records that have been imported, and I can come back here to my domains, and you'll see that my email client is Gmail and it has been configured. So that is how you can configure your email client in the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to retain your website. I'll see you there.